Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use the SanDisk Memory Zone app. First, go to the Apple App Store if you are using an iPhone, or open the Google Play Store if you are using an Android phone. Search for SanDisk Memory Zone. Download and install the app on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the app. When you open the app for the first time, you will see an overview of your phone storage. At the top, it shows how much storage is used and how much total storage your device has. Below that, you will see shortcuts. These include options to copy files from your phone to a SanDisk drive, back up your phone and browse or copy files. Now tap on the Connect button at the top of the screen. Make sure your SanDisk drive is physically connected to your phone. Once connected, the app will recognize the drive. To copy files from your phone to the SanDisk drive, tap on the Copy from Phone option. The app will ask for permissions such as access to photos, videos, and contacts. Allow all requested permissions so the app can access your files. After that, you can browse through your files, select the files you want to transfer, and confirm the copy process. The other options, like Backup and Browse, work in a similar way. You select the content and confirm the action. There is also a Store section where you can view the latest SanDisk products. In the Explore section, you can access SanDisk partners and additional services. This is how you use the SanDisk Memory Zone app to manage and transfer your files. Thanks for watching.